Hey guys, special treat today. I have Brian and Chris from Northpointe Bank. We have a lot of questions on new builds and building your own houses. So I always tell people that's a really better question for a lender. So I brought a couple lenders here today. So first of all, VA loans. Can they finance new builds?
So there's kind of a difference between a new build and a construction loan, and lots of people think those are one and the same, but they're not. So you can use a VA loan on a new build, but not on a construction loan. And the difference is a new build, that's being built by a builder. The builder's taking on all of that cost to build the house. So just like a normal deal, the borrower, the veteran would just be putting down their earnest money. The builder's eating the whole cost to build that house. And then when they sell that house, it's actually considered a previously built home that's never been occupied. Now, when you're talking about a construction loan, that's what you think of when you think of building a house. You're working with the general contractor. You're paying throughout the process to get this house built. So that's when you'd be using a construction loan that you take draws on for different parts of the process.
Okay. Another thing that I have come up all the time, people are always like, how do I build a house that I bought like 30 acres of land for? Is that possible?
Absolutely. So if you already own the land, then what you can basically do is you come in, you want to get your builder assigned to you, whoever you're going to pick. Then we need to have your plans, your specs, your cost breakdown, and then your agreement with the builder of how much they're going to charge you to build that home. Let's just use a number of $400,000. So you own your land for $100,000. Your build is going to be $400,000. If you've already paid cash for your land loan or your land acquisition, then basically that's going to cover any down payment you need. So we're going to basically fund 100% of the construction cost for you. So it works out really, really well on that end of it.
And that includes putting in utilities in the raw land.
Everything, yeah. So depending on where your land is located, you might have a well or septic. So you might not have running water or any type of sewer system. You might just have to do it on the land. But if there's no utilities that are there, then you can include the tap fees in the purchase contract with the builder. Absolutely. And you can include your architecture fees, the water fees, tap fees, your soils inspections. Every single thing can be included in that.
Okay. Wow.
Building off what Brian was saying, the typical down payment for our construction loan is 5%, but what Brian was getting at is if you already own the land and you already have equity from that land, you can use that as that 5% down payment, or you just have to have 5% equity in the total project.
Okay. And what kind of loan would that be? Would that be a conventional loan?
It is, yeah. They're all basically conventional. There's conventional or government. Mm-hmm. So it's technically under our portfolio programs, but it's still going to be a conventional loan at that time.
Cool. Lots of questions answered. Hopefully that helps you guys out. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.